Good morning, Otis. You woke us up early, didn't you? Just gone 4:30 and raining outside, so we're sticking fairly local. We've just come through the bushes here into the opening at the brickyard, and we're just out for a little amble this morning before it gets too wet. Come on, let's burn off some energy, Otis. 1, 2, 3, run! Go! You gotta go zoom. 1, 2, 3, zoom. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, zoom. You finished? Let's go and see what the view's like from the top of the little hill. 1, 2, 3, zoom. Well, the rain is starting to pick up again. Oh, I thought I got a little bit of reprieve away from the water, but unfortunately not. We'll just take a little wander up this way. Yay! Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, it's good you burn some energy off anyway, Otis. It's a good boy. 1, 2, 3, go! And he's gone. And he's back. Well, hello. This way. As we cut through the trees here, the bushes, you get to see, oh dear, across the top end of the brickyard, which has got no bricks anymore. So right there in the distance we got Glamwern Rise, and Otis and I walked up a muddy embankment up to the top there of Christchurch Hill a couple of weeks ago. Lower down then we've got Glamwern Avenue. At the top there we've got the Cotswold Way, which sort of meanders back and forth, snakes its way back down to Chepstow Road. And then directly in front of us, up high, we have the Trinity Church at Christchurch. And just out of sight here on the right will be the petrol station on Chepstow Road, formerly known as Tesco. How are you doing, young Otis? You tiptoeing through the buttercups? Not there's many buttercups left. I'm just going to walk along this way a bit more. Yay! And from here you can see the Care Hardy estate. And you can just about make out the petrol station sign there in the background for the Esso petrol station / Tesco store. I think they're great, these Tesco Expresses that opened up everywhere. Very handy, especially as they open from 6 in the morning onwards. And from this angle you can see Ringwood Hill and Lady Hill Wood. Can't quite see the transmitter mast for 5G up there at the moment from this angle. Daisies! What's spooking you, Otis? There's a lot of movement going on in the bushes down there. I think it's foxes. And I don't mean foxes afloat, Otis. No, we don't mean Sean and Colin off YouTube. From this angle, we can just about make out the Tesco's Express and the Esso petrol station. Or fuel station, I should say, shouldn't I? They sell other brands or other types of fuel. What's this white thing here that you're looking at, Otis? Oh, I'm surprised you didn't pick it up. It's part of a picture frame, I think. Certainly a piece of wood. I see no sticks to throw though, Otis. And there he goes, gonna find a stick. Find a stick! You want me to find the stick? Well, I think that's your job. One, two, three, zoom! Well, at least the rain has stopped for a little while, allowed us to make a bit of a video. I'm afraid it's going to be a short one today, but thanks for watching. And if you're enjoying the channel, please subscribe. Oh, somebody's been up here with some spaghetti. Oh, more spaghetti. Okay. That's bizarre. Good boy, Otis. Here he comes. Yay! Go on, Mr. Thunderbolt, go for it. Grab the lead and run. Go! One, two, three, run! Zoom! One, two, three, zoom! Okay, it's a good boy. I bet you're panting and puffed. Not quite. Okay. He's gone. Is he going to go around the tree? Here he comes. Yay, Mr. Thunderbolt, well done. Yay. Yay, come on, Mr. Thunderbolt. Good boy, Otis. Okay, we're going to sign off now because the rain's just turned up. So I hope you've enjoyed yourselves watching us getting wet, having a little bit of a run. Otis, say goodbye.